And go. Da 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 da. Celebrate. What? Where am I? Bonnie? Bonnie, wake up! No, Bonnie! Bonnie, wake up! No! Okay. Ugh. Ugh. That hurts. Let's go. Guys.
And that's why cheeseburgers are better than pizza.
What?
Oh, Freddy,
Guys.
your body, it's gone. Your body, it's gone.
Oh.
What happened?
Balloon Boy. He has a shotgun.
I can't believe that.
Well, you're gonna have to, cause I got shot. You know.
And how is your bow tie still on?
Magic ways of the Five Nights at Freddy's.
Well, let's see what Puppet. Do you see what's going on? Yeah, I don't really understand it.
What do you mean you don't understand? You're the magic person here.
Nah, I'm just kidding. You know, I could fix this, but it's gonna take a lot of magic power.
I don't care. Just fix me.
Okay.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. And an actual shotgun instead of. I'm gonna promote gun violence, unlike Indo Bindo, the great boy said. Oh yeah, I kinda shot him in the back of the head. Well, that's gonna hurt. Wait, what was that? Cause I have a deeper voice now. I'm more manlier. Yeah. What's that sound? Puppet, what's that sound?
I don't know. I think it's a shotgun or something.
Oh no, a shotgun. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, but we all need to stay together.
I have an idea. Wait, no. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening here? Mango, wake up! Mango, wake up! Wake up, Mango.
Oh, I don't know what's going on.
Me either. Freddy, what's happening? Balloon Boy has a shotgun. He's gonna shoot us all. He's coming for us. Balloon Boy. I shot him all. Now I'm gonna shoot the rest. Balloon Boy, what are you doing here? Yeah, Balloon Boy, what are you doing here? I have a deep voice. What are you talking about? Oh no, he's here!
Everybody, we need to hide somewhere and jump on him.
Okay, I'm gonna hide.
Okay.
Mango, where we hiding at?
Let's go hide.
The walls. The ceiling got me. Yeah. Alright, Mango. At the ceiling. Oh no, what do I need?
I'm gonna go in my music box.
Oh no, oh no. He's coming. Haha. I'm here. Oh no. Not again. Uh, uh, Why won't you die? Ah! And then he shot me over and over again. Where is everyone else? Michael. He's probably dead. He's always dead. I wonder where they're all at. Michael's time. Ah! Ah! What are you doing?
Chica, come on. I'm coming. Puppet!
Huh? I wonder what I should do.
I wonder what I should do.
Ah! Nope, I'm too skinny.
I'm too skinny. I'm gonna run away and get some help. Come on, Toy Freddy.
Ugh.
Come on, Freddy. Freddy's probably dead.
Wow, magic powers. Wow, magic powers. I'm powers and I'm magic.
My magic powers are working.
Wow, magic powers. Uh-oh. Magic powers on. Puppet, wake up. Puppet. Oh no. Back here. Oh, get off me. Die. Da 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 Ah! What the heck?
What's going on?
Hey, I heard something.
Oh, really? What do you think's going on?
I think they're fighting upstairs.
You wanna go check it out?
Yeah, sure. Vamos, be quiet. Open the door. Come
on.
Let's go.
I'm coming.
I'm too old. Open the door. Open the door.
My friends to die.
Wait, we don't have friends. What are you doing about? This is funny. Oh my god, what happened to Endo?
I think he got shot.
Springtrap.
Yeah.
I don't want to go. Can you stay here?
Oh yeah, sure, I can.
Okay. Alright, check out if anything's out here. Okay, I'll check here. Oh my god, what's happening? He has a shotgun. He's gonna kill us all.
Oh yes, help!
Wow. Magic powers. Hey, what's happening? Hey, what's happening? I helped.
Are you okay in there?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Okay, where is he right now?
He uses magic powers and threw him out the window.
Okay. Let's go at him.
Da da da. What? Huh? Oh, see. I could use that one, or. Ah. Where is he? I don't see him. What? Haha! Die, magic! Other magic person!
Oh
Uh, 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 that hurted. But that magic, yeah!
no! I'm gonna go check it out. Hey! I'm gonna kick you!
That hurt so much.
I'm gonna beat you up!
That hurts so much.
You can do nothing to defeat me.
Except this. You forgot my shotgun is tied to myself.
That hurt. Ow.
What the heck? You're supposed to be dead.
Oh. I'm two people basically. But come at me, bro.
Oh my god! It's a monster! What's up with these windows? That hurts so much.
Yeah, that hurt.
Tie him up!
Alright.
Da da.